Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and today's video is going to be on this makeup tutorial right here. It's kind of like fall inspired, so I hope you guys enjoy this. I think I said this in the video, but please disregard my nasally voice. I'm getting over a cold. I hope it's not annoying for you guys. I hope it's not annoying for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please stay tuned. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. It's a little scratchy, I'm sorry. But yeah, and let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so I already did my eyebrows and all of that, and I also put a light coat of foundation on already. So now I'm just going to move on to setting my eyes, starting with my eyeshadow. Also, just a disclaimer, I'm so sorry if I sound super nasally. I am just getting over a cold, so you know, it's been a rough couple of weeks over here on this side. So yeah, so sorry if I sound nasally. Hopefully it's not too annoying. So I'm actually just going to start with the Patrick Star MAC collaboration. This is the fall collection again. And I'm just going to start with the shadow right here. Okay, so I just zoomed you guys in so you guys can see a little bit better now. I'm now starting with this burgundy color right here. And I'm just putting that on the outer corners, and I'm probably going to spread that into like my entire lid, but I don't know yet. Okay, so as you can see, that probably escalated quickly, but I just put that burgundy shade kind of like all over my eyelid. If it looks patchy, just ignore that. That's all going to be fixed towards the end of the eye look, but I was using the wrong brush, basically. Like, this brush was not doing it for me, so it was kind of made this eye look a little patchy. This one's alright. But anyways, I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this first shade right here. Oh my god, this palette is huge. This first shade right here. So yeah, I'm just going to highlight my brow bone with that shade. So now I'm going to go into the shade. I guess this is just going to be the palette that I'm really using for the majority of the look, but I'm going to go into this brown shade right here, and I'm going to darken my outer corners. Also, I've been trying to be more active on Snapchat, but I feel like nobody's over there. Like, I was active a couple of, probably like 2 weeks ago or so, and I had some of you guys like say what's up and stuff, but like I just feel like nobody's on Snapchat anymore. Actually, I have a lot of you guys over there, but I don't know, it doesn't feel the same. I used to do Snapchat Q&As and stuff. I'm going back in with the burgundy color to kind of bring it a little bit back to life. Honestly, this eye is getting a lot darker than I anticipated it to be. I don't know where this is going, but okay, I'm just gonna use the burgundy color and just bring it back to life a little bit. I just wanted to speak about Halloween real quick, because I know when Halloween comes around, you guys expect me to do some crazy stuff, and honestly this year I'm just not feeling it. So I really don't know if I'm gonna do any Halloween stuff. I'm so sorry. I don't feel really like, I just don't feel Halloween this year. Like, I'm not feeling it. I don't know. I've been in like a wacky mood for like the past 2 months anyway, so maybe it's that. But like, this is the first year ever that I'm just kind of like, I'm really not feeling Halloween. But maybe I'll get into it. Who knows? I don't know. I just really don't know if I'm gonna do anything. Sorry. I'm so sorry. But if you guys really want to see anything, then just leave it in the comments down below. DM me. I'll take suggestions, and if something truly inspires me, then I'll most likely do it. That's all I'm gonna get for now. Okay, so yeah, my eyes did get a lot darker than I expected. I haven't done a dark eye in a long time. Like, I'm kind of liking it. I'm just gonna go in with liner, and I'm just gonna line my lash line, but I'm not gonna wing it out. That's just been my thing lately. I prefer it without the wing now. Oh, and this is, if you didn't know, the superhero liner from It Cosmetics. The shade right here, it's like a rose gold shade. Yeah, it's like rose gold. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna just take a brush. I'm not gonna wet it at first. I don't even know if I need to wet it with these shades, with these shadows actually, but because I'm putting it on a matte, probably do. But let's see. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that right in here. So I'm just gonna go with the shade right next to that, which is a pinkier, like a lighter pink shade, this one right here, and I'm just gonna mix that in as well. Yeah, I like that much better. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do the other eye. So now I'm just gonna put some mascara, and I'm using the Lash Blowout from It Cosmetics. I just love how cute this thing is, but it's also really good at separating and elongating your lashes. And today I'm gonna use falsies. Unfortunately, I don't know where I put my favorite lashes at the moment. I mentioned this in my Get Ready With Me like 2 videos ago or something. It's from Princess Lash. These are also from Princess Lash, but these are not my favorite from Princess Lash. But they're my second favorite. But these are in the style Jasmine, and so I'm just gonna use these lashes. They look like this. Alright, so actually I'm just gonna go pop these lashes on, and I went ahead and did my lashes, and I also ran some of that burgundy in the crease color in my lower lash line. So for concealer today, I'm gonna use same old. It's the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealing Pot by It Cosmetics, and this is in the shade medium tan. So I'm just gonna use this to highlight in some areas. So I'm just gonna set with, actually I'm gonna brighten under my eye. So I'm gonna use the It Cosmetics Use Sculpted palette, and I'm gonna use the matte highlight. I'm also gonna use that highlight to set all the places where I just highlighted with my concealer. Also, my foundation application is pretty light today, but I'm gonna use my powder foundation, so it's gonna give it a lot more coverage anyways. So I just decided to zoom you guys out since I'm not doing my eyes anymore. And I forgot to zoom you guys out before. Okay, so now I'm going to powder my entire face with the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation. And if you guys care, I'm in the shade NC35. Okay, so now I'm gonna take that small brush again, and I'm gonna just bronze up my skin, and I'm gonna use the Girl Lactic Matte Bronzer in Cabo. Okay, so now that I've bronzed up my face, I'm gonna go in with contour, and I'm using that It Cosmetics Use Sculpted palette again. I'm gonna use a mixture of the deep contour and the medium contour. Now that it is going into like colder months, I may start using cream contour again. So leave me in the comments below, or DM me or whatever, suggestions on what are some good cream contours, because I used to use Graftobian, and then that was when my skin kind of just went crazy. I don't know if that was the reason, but ever since then I've just been kind of scared to go back to like the old products that I used to use. And then I was using Milk Makeup. Milk Makeup, to me, like their bronzer, their stick bronzers or a cream bronzer, is not super creamy. It's like kind of stiff. I know you can just warm it up and use it, and that's what I've done in the past, but I prefer like a really creamy cream bronzer. So yeah, let me know what you guys suggest. I'm gonna spray my face because I just put loads of powder on my face. So I'm gonna spray it with this Make Up Forever Mist and Fix. I'm gonna set my brows right now. Actually, this is the It Cosmetics Brow Power Pomade. I know you guys are probably tired of me using the same brands over and over and over. I don't know, suggest products to me. It's been a while since I've been makeup shopping, actually. Like, because I get a lot of PR, it's just, I don't know. I just haven't been really like makeup shopping. So let me know what you guys want me to use, and I'll switch it up. Okay, so instead of going in with the burgundy color, I'm gonna go in with that nude color there, and I'm gonna run that on my lower lash line. Now I'm just gonna put some mascara on. to blend my falsies with my actual lashes. And then I'm also just gonna run some mascara on my lower lash line. I forgot that I wanted to line my waterline, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. This is the pencil by Antonym Cosmetics, and I really love this pencil. So last but not least, I'm gonna highlight my skin. Oh wait, that's not last, my lips are last. I'm gonna highlight my skin. So for highlight, I'm gonna use my Laura Geller Gilded Honey Baked Illuminator. I'm also gonna use that highlight to highlight my inner tear duct. And now I'm moving on to the lips. I'm gonna use my Carly Bible Il Maquillage collab because I just love this collab so much. If you guys haven't gotten your hands on it, you should. Not only because Carly's my favorite, but because these are really good quality. Like, I might need to re-up. Hopefully it's still in stock. But I'm gonna go in first with the lip liner in Bible. So I didn't fully line my lips with that. I'm just kind of like doing a little bit of that. Now I'm gonna go in with the lip liner in Luna, and I'm gonna just outline some more. And now I'm gonna use the lipstick in Libra, which is the most beautiful nude. I still just love everything about this lipstick. Like, it's so beautiful. So that is all, and honestly this is the final look, but I'm just gonna go and do my hair really quickly, which I don't have to do much, but I'm gonna go do my hair really quick and I'll come back with the final look. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. It's been a while since I've done a makeup tutorial. I feel like it's been a while since I've done a lot. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want more fall inspired or just more creative makeup tutorials, I'm here, okay? I'm definitely here. I'm gonna get myself inspired. But you guys, send me pictures, send me ideas, send me all these things. Again, if you really want to see something for Halloween, then let me know and I'll consider it, okay? So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!